Hello there. Welcome once again to our practical science, technology, engineering and maths page. Today we are continuing our discussion on the oil and gas industry. And in our episode today we have the test separator. The test separator. Okay. What is test separator? Test separator is just an equipment used in the oil and gas industry during well testing and well cleanup operations to separate, measure, and analyze the components of a well fluid. And this fluid contains oil, gas, and water at relatively small volumes and varying flow rates and pressures. Okay, so that's the test separator. The test separator from the inside, the vessel itself is such that the oil comes into the oil vessel, hitting the deflector plate. The deflector plate helps the oil to make that initial splashing kind of splash, and thereafter the water will go down and oil will be on top. You know, when you mix water and oil, the water will be at the bottom while the oil is on the top. And then there is a motion breaker, which is a device that separates the oil from the water. So the emulsion breaker tends to effect a clear demarcation between the water and the oil. So what you have now is oil completely different from water. And then for the gas, it goes up, and as it's going up, it's passing through what we call mist extractor. So the mist extractor extracts mist, that's water in the form of vapor from the gas. So instead of the mist escaping with the gas, this mist extractor removes it. Okay, so now each of these components will now finds its way. The water will go through the water leg of this the test separator, and it is measured. There's a flow meter on the water leg that measures the volume of water coming out. Likewise, the oil also goes out through a separate leg called the oil leg, and there is a flow meter there that measures the amount of oil coming out. The gas goes out through the gas line or the gas leg, and there is a Daniel orifice valve that measures the flow rate as it goes out. So that is how the test separator is used. Now the measurement here is from time to time carry out the measurement of the fluid that comes from the reservoir. The aim is to ensure that what was established when the oil was first drilled still remains the same. So I will call it MER test. MER stands for maximum efficient rate, and the goal of this test is to find a stable, efficient flow rate that maximizes recoverable reserves, balancing production operation with reservoir integrity. Okay, so simply just to determine production rate such that you do not jeopardize the health or the life of the well. So the test separator is a very essential component in the oil and gas industry because it helps you to optimize the life of your oil well while still maintaining very good production rate. That's all for us on this program today. Please like, share, comment, make a comment in the comment section, and subscribe. And then above all, try to show this video to children, those who are in school, so they can learn, have a heads up. As they study engineering and science, they will now know what they're going to meet in future should they find themselves in the oil and gas industry. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye.